Welcome to page 8 of Excel packet number 4. On page 8, we're going to check your knowledge of slope. Let's take a closer look. On this page, you've been given 4 images. Image 1, 2, 3, and 4. Answer questions A through F using 1, 2, 3, or 4 as your answer. You'll be looking for positive slope, zero slope, which one represents an undefined slope, which line represents a horizontal line, which one represents a vertical, and then which one has a negative slope. Since there are only 4 images and 6 questions, you will be reusing the numbers as answers to several different questions. Here's a few quick tips to help you stay organized. Let's take a look at letter D and talk about horizontal lines. Horizontal begins with the letter H, and one way to remember what a horizontal line is to think of the bar in the H and look for a line that moves left to right. That's horizontal. And then vertical would be the opposite, a line that moves north and south. If you need a little help remembering the different types of slope, you can use the ski bird page to help you through. Please pause the video, and when you're ready, turn it back on to check your answers. Pause the video right now and answer questions A through F. Let's check your work. Remember, when looking at the slope of the line, our eyes will always move left to right. Let's begin. We know a positive slope goes uphill, left to right. The answer here, 1. Give yourself a C if that's correct. A zero slope moves side to side, no pitch. Number 2 is the correct answer here. An undefined slope, when we think about ski bird going down that vertical slope, his fate is undefined, straight up and down. That's number 4. Which one is a horizontal line moving side to side? Well, that's number 2. Give yourself a C. Vertical, moving straight up and down. Of course, that's number 4. Give yourself a C. And lastly, a negative slope, pitching downward, moving left to right. Well, that's number 3. Give yourself a C if you're correct. This concludes page 8.